Welcome to Maths Clips. Today we're going to cover a topic on multiplication and division. Mrs. Lee needs 508 buttons to make some cushion covers. The buttons are sold in packets of 10. Each packet of buttons costs $9. What is the least amount of money that Mrs. Lee needs to buy enough buttons to sew the cushion covers? Now we're going to look at relationships. So the first relationship we're going to highlight is the buttons are sold in packets of 10. So what does this mean? Does it mean we are buying 10 packets? No. Okay. So if you take a box to represent a packet and buttons, there are 10 buttons. This means that we need to buy many packets such that each packet contains 10 buttons. Alright, so we'll show a picture like this. Okay, there are 10 buttons in each packet. Now next we look at 508 buttons. Right, so we can draw a box to represent 508 buttons, and we know that each packet contains 10 buttons. So if I buy one packet, I will have 10 buttons. If I buy another packet, now I have 20 buttons, and then 30. So we can go on. And how many packets do we need? Alright, so to do that, we will take 508 buttons and divide it by 10 because there are 10 in each packet. So that will give us 50 remainder 8. So what does 50 mean? 50 means that there are 50 packets and 8, remainder 8. Alright, so the 50 packets means that there are actually 10 buttons in each packet times 50, and that will give us 500 buttons. So the remainder of 8 means that there are still 8 buttons remaining. So we can show it like this: 2, 4, 6, 8 buttons. Okay. So in order for us to buy 8 buttons, we need to buy one more packet. Right? One packet contains 10 buttons. So altogether, we'll be buying 51 packets. Now, each packet of buttons costs $9. Right? And the question asks for the least amount of money. So we'll take 51 packets, and we know each packet costs 9. So we'll take 51 times $9, and that gives us $459. So the answer is Mrs. Lee needs $459. Right? Thanks for watching.